Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, the agenda is the GNS3 integration with VMware Workstation. So in this is the lecture 3, part 3, in which I'll let you know how to download the VMware Workstation Pro and how about the compatibility with this. So earlier, as of now, it's VMware Workstation 16 going on. So I had also gone through the previous lectures wherein I heard that there's some issue with 14. So people who had installed 14 and they were trying to run the GNS3 in 14, so they were having some problems. So that's why people were getting recommended to use Workstation Pro for 12, not 14. But here it's VMware 16 now, and at the time I'm recording the video. And in 16, all the bugs which we were encountering in 14 have been reportedly fixed. So let me quickly take you to the VMware Workstation Pro. Here you don't have to do anything, but you need to open the screen. Let me pause it and open. Okay, now it has opened. So there was some issue. It was sharing the screen. Okay, we were at this stage, part 3 now, and which I'll let you know how to download the VMware Workstation Pro. So for this, you need to go to just directly go to Google, right? And because Google is the one which is really becoming, a great search engine. So here you can write VMware Workstation Pro. So it was, I mean, 12 are earlier downloaded for the records, but here let me click on Pro only. So once I click on Pro, let me go to the first site here, download VMware Workstation Pro. Go there. So I'm using Windows. You can use it here for Windows, and if you have Linux, then you can click download now here in the Linux. So I'm using for Windows, so I'll go for the Windows download. So it has got 616 MB. So I'll pause the video and I'll resume it once I get 100%. And I think I'll be getting 100% by the time I'm done talking with you guys, because it's already 178, somewhat around 200 MB being downloaded. But not to waste your time, let me pause it. Okay, this is complete now. So let me open it as show in the folder. So this is VMware Workstation. Let me double click, and here we have VMware Workstation Pro 16 being downloaded. So again, if you do not want to see it, you can fast forward the same. And because generally it happens that we do not encounter any of the problem while downloading the VMware Pro or VMware Workstation. So again, I'll pause it and I will check it here in. Let me see what it says. Okay, there's one. Click on next. I accept the licensing terms and then again next. So I don't want to click it here. I want to just add the VMware Workstation tool. That is okay. Okay, done. And desktop, I want it. Okay, and then let me install it. So these are the simple installation, guys. You can install, and once it's installed, you can see that we would be able to open VMware Workstation. So here it will ask for the license, but again, as I've already told you that this is a licensed software. It's not a free software, but you can use it for your practical with GNS3 for about 30 days, and again reinstall and enjoy for 30 days. So this is what I do actually. And other than that, there are a lot of other ways wherein you can get the workstation, the cracked copy or other thing. But I'll not uphold that using the cracked copy and everything. Right. So let me pause it and Or you can do one thing, you can fast forward, because let me show it for the candidates, they want to see, because a lot of my students, they demand that I should run with the window. So now this is done. Okay, now it's done. Let me click on finish. So once it's finished, I can show you it's already here. So this is our second prerequisite, which is installed. So we have now downloaded the GNS3 software and installed. I do not want it. I want it for 30 days. Continue now, and yes, and then finish it. So this is the VMware Workstation. And now we have two things. Apparently, we have VMware Workstation and we have GNS3 software, both. So two edges we have already completed. Now we need the bridge, which will, connect one edge with another one. So that will connect GNS3 with VMware Workstation 16. So for that, you would require the GNS3 iOS. So I'll talk about this in my next lecture. So thank you very much, guys, and take good care. I'll meet you in the next lecture.